Welcome to the Sheldon ISD tutorial on how to set up your email on your iPad, iPhone, iPod, or any other iDevice. First thing you want to do is once you get your device on, is you want to look for the settings application. In this case it's gray, it's got some cogs on it, so settings underneath. You're going to click on that. Now notice when you open your settings, what's already highlighted is in blue here is general, and that pulls up the general menu over here. We're going to want to go down from general to mail, contacts, calendars, and click there. Now you're going to go over here and you're going to click Add Account. And in Sheldon ISD we use the Microsoft Exchange, so we're going to click Microsoft Exchange. And once this menu comes up, you're going to type in your password, not your password, your email. So James Laughlin at sheldonisd.com is my email. You did it your own. And then you're going to go down and you're going to enter in your password. Now I'm going to enter my password, but I'm going to pause the recording so you can't see it. Once you've entered your password, now you can go down to the description, and I'm going to change the description from Exchange to Sheldon email. That's just what I do to help me to identify which email I'm actually in. And then I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click Next. Once I click Next, it's going to verify. Now sometimes you're going to get an error there, and it's okay. Just click Continue and keep going forward with this process, and it should fix itself. So now you can see our email's there. We now need to enter the server name. Now the server name is important that you get this exactly as I type it on the screen here, but it's mail and then period. So mail dot sheldonisd.com. So it should end up as mail.sheldonisd.com. That's the server name. The domain you'll leave blank. You'll go down to the username, and on the username you're now going to enter your employee ID number. That's the number that you have that starts with an E and then has a series of numbers. You're going to enter that here as your username. Now I'm going to enter mine, but I'm going to actually block it out so you can't see it for privacy reasons. Okay, I've got my employee ID number and the username. Then remember that's the E and then the other numbers. I've got that in there, and so now we're going to go up and we're going to click Next. And once you click Next, it's going to take you to this screen where you will now see that you have the options to turn on mail, contacts, calendars, reminders. I leave these all on because this will actually not only sync your mail, it will also sync your calendar from school as well. And it'll allow you to access contacts from home as well without using your computer. Now you're going to click Save right up here. It's going to check everything. Everything works out. It's going to add the account. You can now see my Sheldon email account is added here. If it doesn't work there, it's probably a password issue, and you need to check your password to make sure they're right. Now I'm going to click on that Sheldon ISD email that I had there that I just created, and to see what it's doing. The things you need to change, at least I like to change, is down here where it says mail days to sync. This will only sync 3 days of mail, so you need to change it. I change it to no limit, so it'll sync everything that I have. And then I click on Sheldon email and go backwards. And now I look down here where it says mail folders to push. I'm going to click there. And right now the only folders that it's going to send to my iPad is my inbox. You can see it has a check marks there. Well, whatever other folders I want, I need to go ahead and click on too. So I want my sent items to show up. I want my deleted items to show up. I want any other email I might have to show up. There's just a few there. And then I'm going to go back up here where it says Sheldon email, and I'm going to click Sheldon email. And then I'll come back to the screen. I'm going to click Done. And now my email and my calendar and contacts and reminders from school is all set up and ready to go. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Have a good day.